So, the next topic is all about instructional learning processes. So, ano nga ba itong instructional learning processes? Instructional learning processes, it is the interaction between learners and the teachers. Instruction is planned. Yung kumbaga, pinaplano natin tong instruction natin through assessment. Like for example, the pre-test. Kung ano nga ba yung kakayahan ng isang estudyante, kailangan natin yung alamin muna bago tayo mag-proceed sa instruction natin. And made, it is possible through the training of teachers. Learning objectives, sometimes called the learning outcomes. So, dito mo na malalaman kung ano yung kayang gawin ng isang estudyante mo at the end of the lesson through the activities, teaching, and the learning that has taken place. Importance of learning objectives. It is to provide direction to instructions. Kumbaga, ginagabayan ka muna bago ka bigyan ng isang instructions. And also, it is to provide guidelines for assessment. The four components of learning objective. The number one is the audience. Kailangan natin sabihin sa kanila kung ano yung magiging objective natin sa ating magiging lesson. And the second one is the behavior. Kailangan natin mag-ingat sa ating mga pananalita upang hindi sila ma-influence sa ating mga words na binibitawan. Like for example, a bad words. Kailangan natin mag-ingat na magsabi ng bad words para sa at the end of the lesson, yung behavior nila, hindi yun nila makuha sa atin na nagsasabi tayo ng bad words. And the third one is the standard. It must be identified to what standard a given knowledge must be achieved by the learners. Yung mga objective na ginagawa natin, kailangan nasa standard para kung ano yung mga ibahagi natin na knowledge sa ating mga learners, kailangan patok sa standard ng curriculum ng school natin. And the last one is the condition. A condition under the learning objective specify the condition under which given task should be performed. Yung condition sa ating objectives, kailangan at the end of the lesson, nasa kondisyon pa rin sila para ma-perform nila yung mga activities na diniscuss natin sa ating mga lessons.